So I came to Bangkok today to try Mark Wayne's restaurant and shoot a video about it. So I did that, but I got there later than I wanted to, and now it's late. So I have to stay in Bangkok tonight. I don't have to, but I'm choosing to stay in Bangkok tonight. So I went on Airbnb and found a little spot, but I found a hostel. I've never stayed in a hostel before, so I figured, why not bring you guys with me to sleep in a hostel for the very first time and see what it's about. Looks like a decent spot, has good reviews. So they got free breakfast in the morning. So that's where we're headed right now. We're headed to this hostel. I'll be sharing, sleeping in the same room as other people. And it only cost me $10 for the whole night. So who can complain about that? And like I said, I get free breakfast. So we're headed there, and it's by Khao Sang Road. So we have a little bit of a ways to go because currently I'm in Ekka Mai area. So what I'm going to take the BTS for about 10 stops and get off in a certain area, and then from there I'm going to order a Grab to ride the rest of the way, because you can't take the BTS all the way to Khao Sang Road or just that area. So here we go. I might take you guys by Khao Sang Road tonight if I feel like going out. I don't know, I am a little tired. This guy is flying. He's like beep, 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 beep. Traffic out here is crazy. People drive out here crazy. I ain't gonna lie, Bangkok is a bit of a wild place. It's the wild, wild west out here. But what can you do about it? Believe it or not, I spent my first 30 days in Bangkok, and for that whole time I was there, I think it took me to the 28th day to finally take the BTS. I was so nervous to take it, I was like, I don't know how to do this. So I've been taking a Grab ride the whole time, riding the motorbikes, which is a little sketchy, not, it ain't the safest thing, but it was the fastest way I knew how to get around before figuring out the BTS system. But now I'm comfortable using the BTS, and this is what I take now when I come back to Bangkok. I'm here now at this hostel. Hopefully I can check in. I forgot my passport in Pattaya, so we'll see how this goes. All right, y'all, it is midnight, but I decided I'm gonna take you guys to Khao Sang Road. I had to get my phone charged, got a little rest. We're just gonna check out Khao Sang Road real quick, maybe get a bite to eat, 'cause I'm a little bit hungry. I asked for directions. They told me to just keep straight from where I'm staying at this hostel. So hopefully I make it there. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I make it. Okay. So you guys can see it's pretty lit out here. Music, people, parties, food, which all I really care about right now is the food. I'm kind of hungry. Let me not get copyrighted. As you guys can see, Khao Sang Road gets pretty crazy. It's a party out here. A lot of people very drunk, a lot going on. But I'm just here today to show you guys what the party's like, for you guys who like the nightlife. I enjoy nightlife myself, but tonight I'm kind of just chilling, so I wanted to create content, and I do not want to be out here getting, messed up. I got my equipment, so tonight's a chill night. We're chilling today. All right, this is another street. This is not Khao Sang Road. It's close to it, but this is a little more chilled down than Khao Sang Road. So still got the bars, massages, but it's not as crazy as Khao Sang Road, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna tour you guys down here real quick. See what we got going on. I've walked down here before with one of my boys I met out here one time. We kind of toured the Khao Sang area, so I've already seen all this before. But I wanted you guys to see. This is just basically like a street over, and it's a lot more toned down. A lot more toned down. See a whole freaking alligator. You can see we still got the street food going out here. So it's like some type of omelet. What do we got here at this stand? We got some chicken or some pork? We got pork. Yeah. Okay. Got some kebabs. Oh, I lost my voice. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Seafood or something like that. I don't know. I cannot resist. So I love chicken kebabs. One chicken kebab. So I gotta get one, guys. I eat chicken kebabs every time I go out. Nearly. One of my favorite things since I've come to Thailand is getting these. I call them chicken shawarmas because like halal. So my first time I had one, I was in Dubai. If y'all want to see my Dubai vlog, leave a comment. Say yes, we want to see Dubai. But let's get it. Got the chicken. We got all the sauce here. This is gonna be delicious. I'm a little hungry. After this, I'm probably gonna like walk back to the hostel and get some sleep. Like I said, I'm not really, tonight is not a party night for me. It's just a chill night. So just want to give you guys some vlog footage and show you guys Khao Sang Road in case you're interested about, you heard about it, want to come check it out. Hey, I'm sure it'll be a good time for you. But tonight we eat, we no party. While we wait in the other kebab, let's get a chicken kebab for 10 baht. Chicken kebab. Hopefully I don't get sick. We'll see. We have the kebab. We got a kebab. Now we're waiting on our 2 kebabs. I'm gonna call this a shawarma. All right, chicken shawarma kebab, because this is what we call a kebab in America, and I call this a chicken shawarma. So kebabs, shawarma. I guess different places call it different things, but these are kebabs. But who's right, who's wrong, doesn't matter, right? So, the guy who I was by, I couldn't sit, and then I just tried to give her money to sit. I just want to sit down and eat, but I couldn't do that. She wouldn't let me just give her money, so we'll see. I might just pay for some food just to sit somewhere. Like, I just want to sit. That's all I want. I'm just gonna buy something and not eat it and sit. Good morning, guys. So, just woke up not so long ago here at the hostel. And not gonna lie, I got a great night's sleep. The bed was pretty comfortable. The only downside was that there was one person in the room who was coughing all night. I think they might have had the vid. We won't say anything about it, but hey, I'm gonna show you this little lounge area they have, and I think they have a rooftop. We're gonna see if we can check it out. But after that, we're gonna go check out the breakfast downstairs and see what the food is hitting for. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, so we got this little lounge area you guys can chill out. Got some beanie bags. Some cool art on the wall. This right here. And this place is actually close by some popular temples and touristy sites. So we might go walk around the area afterwards. I think this up here might lead us to the rooftop. Here is the rooftop. So you guys can see some areas to sit. And now we got some views. So like here's a temple right here. You guys can see another one across over there. Over there. All right, guys, let's go eat. I'm excited. I love food. I'm such a fatty. this is served. Wait, forgot my toast. All right, time to grab. So I got my toast right here. So I noticed this little green drink right here. I have no idea what it is, so I'm getting ready to taste it with you guys. I'm a little scared. All right, let's do it. Can't really smell what it is. Let's taste it. Oh, it's good. It's like juice. All right, guys, so that concludes our stay at the hostel for one night, our $10 hostel. This was a great experience. So they get 5 stars from me. If you guys are in the Khao Sung area and looking for somewhere to stay that's affordable and a free breakfast, and you know what I'm saying, you don't mind being around some other people, it's not bad at all. So I will leave the information for their place in the description below. Be sure to check them out. You'll have a great experience like I did, hopefully. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.